ask you a question, which just I thought right now.
Yeah.
So our Ramayana and Mahabharata, since they were written by Ved Vyas and Valmiki, they are itihas.
Yes.
And as Bibek Debroy, incidentally, Bibek Debroy taught me.
Oh,
So,
you did? He did? Huh.
In IIFT, and
Yeah.
he was teaching us managerial economics. So
Okay.
that's how. So as you say, as it happened.
Yes.
And
her ask, this is how it happened, or so it happened.
जी.
Yes.
हमारे इतिहास को mythology में कब बदल दिया? If you can just say something on this issue.
So this is as per my knowledge. The word myth comes from the Sanskrit word itself, which means mithya. तो सत्य और मिथ्या होते हैं. तो सत्य means truth and mithya means untruth, right? It was done because the West started giving a blanket, and by the West I mean the today's Western civilization. When they got exposed to the Eastern civilization, this civilization was so rich and so ancient and so full of stories that they couldn't believe it. It was something very unbelievable for them. So they thought this is all myth, not understanding that their life may have begun in jungles. But for us, if we read our history, the life started in nagars or in cities, and then it spread outside. So if you read the Valmiki Ramayana, that's how it says that the Puri, the capital, was established first, because it wasn't like random people just decided one day that they should now be civilized. No, it was not like that. So this is one thing that they couldn't adapt and adjust to. There's another thing that I think that struck them is because for the same story, so for example, for the Ramayana, so many people, so many authors, and in so many folk tales, they have changed the versions of the stories, which you are allowed to. In Hinduism or in ancient India, this was something that was allowed. There was a phase that allowed it. It wasn't allowed all the time. So if you see the previous renditions of the Ramayana, till the time there were some people who had written their versions of the Ramayana as well. That was in Sanskrit. There was a time then Sanskrit was stopped, and then local languages began. So for example, Ramcharitmanas is in Awadhi, then there is, various Ramayans in Tamil, various Ramayans in Malayalam. And what they started doing was not translation, but transcreation. So what is the difference between translation and transcreation? Translation is when you verbatim try and translate. So that's what I was trying to explain to you. I couldn't understand the English translations, right? Mm-hmm. Now, transcreation is I keep the main idea of the story kind of similar, but I then totally change it. And I'll give you an example. And they change it according to their convenience. So according to the Jain Ramayana, Ram doesn't kill Ravan. It is Lakshman who kills Ravan. Oh. Okay, so you see, because it suits them because they preach non-violence. Mm-hmm. So Ram cannot be, violent. So, so it's been changed. So you see, in order for people to be able to relate to it, so every author came and changed it, came and added a version, took out a version, then again added a version. So for example, that Lakshman Rekha is absent in Valmiki Ramayana. Mm-hmm. In fact, in the Valmiki Ramayana, there is no Swayamvar. Oh. There is no Swayamvar. A Swayamvar never happened. It is Ram who went and asked Dashrath if he could see the bow. Oh. He went and he approached, Janakji. Ram himself went and approached Janakji. Oh. Because the whole world knew that Sita is now of marriageable age, and various kings and kings were coming to try and see if they could lift the bow, because that's that was called Virya Shulk. Virya Shulk. So men, in order to marry a worthy woman, had to prove their worth. Oh. So when you have to prove your worth, and the same thing happens even today. Would you give the hand of your daughter just randomly to any man who comes across? No, we are all very particular and choosy about who our daughters get married to, right? So similarly, Janak ji said that I want the strongest, the most, like in the sense that I want the most talented man who can protect my daughter, because she was very she was famous across the world. So if you read the Valmiki Ramayana, you know about her. She was very popular, very famous, and of course she was Janak's daughter. Janak was a very famous king. So I'm just giving you examples of what was different, and then what has been added or subtracted